Hello and welcome to a new session. In this session, we will be dealing rounding off units and measurements from the class 11. Recapping all the rules to understand significant figures, how to find the significant figures of a number. Now let's straightway get into the recap part of significant figure. Now first rules, all non-zero numbers are considered as significant figure, decimal, without decimal, whatever. One example is I will be giving, because you can always go back to the video of the last session where significant figures have been dealt in depth with several examples, numericals we have taken. Now 1, 2, 4, it has 3 significant figure. Now 12.4, it has also a significant figure of 3. Decimal doesn't matter here in this case. Now rule 2, zeros trapped between non-zeros or significant figures are considered to be significant figures. For example, 12.01, it has 4 significant figure. Now 1.0001 is again has it has 3 to 5 total 5 these, as they are trapped between these two non-zeros or significant figure, hence it has 5 total 4. Why? Because this 0 is trapped between these two. Now rule number 3 that we have taught you yesterday, in this rule, ending zeros, if a number ends with zeros and it's a case of a decimal number, in that case ending zeros. So after decimal and at the end, two conditions need to be fulfilled. Only in that case those zeros will be considered for as significant figures. One example, 0.00 32. Are these zeros going to be considered as significant figure? No, not at all, because they are although they are appearing after the decimal, but these are not ending after the number, so it has only 2 significant figure. Now for this 0.3200, how many significant figure? It has 4. These zeros absolutely satisfy this rule. Therefore, as they are appearing on the end and after the decimal, both the conditions need to be fulfilled. So, and both the zeros are doing the same thing. Rule number 4, initial zeros. The zeros before the before a non-zero number or before the decimal places are called as initial zeros. They are insignificant. One example I will take very fast, because my main motive is to go to rounding off. Initial zeros are insignificant. Let's take 0.003. It has only 1 significant figure, because these are initial zeros ignored. It has 1 significant figure. Now if I take 0043, only 2, so it has only 2 significant figure. If I take 4300, even for a non decimal number, the zeros which are trailing behind a number can be ignored, so it has also 2 significant figure. Only these two, these can be ignored. It is also 2. And now for this was the case of initial zeros. Rule 5 was this was initial zeros. Next is anything to the power, this will be discarded. It will not considered as significant figure, part of significant figure. Now what, let's take an example straightway. 2.0 into 10 to the power anything, say 5. Here it will be discarded completely. The exponent power base 10 will be discarded. It has, now you have to consider this part only for consideration for significant figures here. Now this 0 is following the third rule, after the decimal and ending here in this number, so it has 2. It has 2 significant figures. Instead we get into the rounding off, where we'll be doing all the operations, basically the multiplication, addition, subtraction and division of significant figures, and we will be finding up to certain significant figures. Let's straightway get into the rounding off part. Let's take one example straightway. Addition, add. Now here 2.023 and 1.45. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Now here it will be 3. If you go by the simple rule, you will be adding straight with 3, then it will be 7, it will be 4, and then it will be 3. In the options of answer, it will be definitely 3.473. These options will be given to you, and it might be 3.5 will be provided to you, and 3.47 will be given to you, and D, you will be given with another option of say 3.5. Now all these 4 options will be provided to you. Now here, what do we see here? What will be your answer? Now 2.023, 1.45, it comes to 3 point. Now you have to add and find the answer in up to 2 significant figure, up to 2 significant figure, or up to 2 significant figure. Here you have to find the answer. What will be your answer? Now most of you will go for this option, which will be wrong, and so we are left with the closest one up to 2 significant figure we have to see. Now this is, let's say, 3.4. Now here up to 2 significant figure we have to round off. Now we will go up with the third place here, which is 7, which is more than 4, and our answer needs to be only simplified up to 2. Now if this number is 5 or more than 5, it's definitely, so this one will be added here, and it will be 3.5 straight with the answer. It will be 3.5 straight with the answer. Now let's take some more examples to make life very simple. Now here, what will be this, 2.43 up to 2 will do, up to 2 significant figure we will calculate. 2.43, what will be then? 2. Anything, any number you take. 2.351, 2.352, 7.631, 7.65, let's take it, 757, and 759. Random number, you pick up any number. Let's say this one is 4, this one is 3. Now here you have to consider, if after the preceding number, the number which precedes 5, success 5, the number after 5 basically here is 1. If there is anything except 0 after 5, in that case this number, the digit before 5 is 1 is added to it, so it will be 3.4. Now here something is there after 5, so 1 will be added here, it will be 4.4, and here again the same, this something non-zero numbers after 5, so it will be 7.7, and this will be again following the same rule, 7.7. So means the crux of the story is that after 5, if there is any non-zero number, in that case the number before 5, 1 will be added to it to get the answer. So this is one set of examples here. Let's take one more set of examples, and the things will be more clear to you about this 5 part. Now what will be 2.45 something, and 2.35, and 8.75, and 8.650, and 8.750. Let's take 4.45, and let's take 4.450. Let's try to find out up to 2 significant figure we want to find out, up to 2 significant figure. So here in this case, how I'm going to round. Now this is another rule where you see a pattern is there. After 5 only 0 or either no number at all are there, only 0 or the 5 itself. So nothing is there after 5 except 0 or the number itself. Now in this case, a little you have to go for that odd even rule. It apply that odd even rule here, which is very important. Now it's although a simple one, if you focus here, now pay attention here. Now after 5 it's 0, after 5 nothing, 5 0, and then 5 5, all the cases are similar. Now here in this case, now this is what the number before 5 is an odd number. If there is an odd number, always add 1 to it, always add 1 to it, so it becomes 8.8 straightway if there is 0 here. Now 8.7, this is again an odd number, so it will be also, and after 5 nothing is there, so 8.8, 1 will be added. Now here you have to be, this is even, that's why it will remain same, so the answer will be 8.6. Now here 2.45, very easy, it will, as it's an even number, it will remain 2.4, it will be rounded to, it's an odd number, take care. For odd number plus 1, 2.4, this is an even number, it remains same, this is your 4. Just a sec, this is your 4.4, and here 4.450, again even number, both the cases are even, no change at all, we'll keep 4 intact as it is, 4.4. I hope you are quite comfortable so far. Now let's take another set of questions here. 9.75, 9.750, 9.65, 9.650. Now here the numbers are ending with either 5 or 0. After 5 nothing is there, after 5 only 0 is there. So odd even case again applied here, odd even case. Now listen, the number before 5 is here 7, which is an odd number. Simple rule, as I've told you, odd plus 1, it becomes 9.8, odd 9.8, even remains same 9.6, even this number 9.6, isn't it? Quite easy. Now odd even is clear. Now straight we get into some of the numericals where we will be dealing different, multiplication, division, subtraction, addition will be doing. Starting first, now multiplication and division will be taking first. Let's take a number here, 4.324 into 1.2 and try to see what is the answer here. We'll do a normal multiplication here. 12 4s are 48. I'll ignore the decimal first while multiplication. You do the same thing. 12 4s are 48. 4 carry. 12 2s are 24 plus 4. Again 28. 12 2s are 24 plus 4. 28. 2 carry. 12 3s are 36. 2 38. 3 carry. 12 4s are 48 plus 3 41. 41. Now here where I will be putting the, now you 1 2 3 1. So 4 places, 4.1888. Now this will be all an option also in the answer, but this is not the correct answer. Now here a rule is there. In the case of multiplication and division, what we have to do, we have to check, the number which is having the minimum number of significant figure, minimum significant figures. Now here if I go through this number, it possesses 1 2 3 4 significant figures, whereas this has 2 significant figure. So our answer will be, we have to find up to 2 places. We have to find the answer up to 2 places, but there is 8 which is more than 5, so definitely it will be rounded up to 1 places more, it will be 4.2. The correct absolute answer will be 4.2. Have you got it? 4.2. 4.2. How? Let me check. It has 4 significant figure. It has 2 significant figure. We will consider in the final answer those significant figures which the number possess the minimum, and the answer will also possess the same number of significant figures. So our answer has to be reduced to 2 significant figures. But here the answer is 4.188 while multiplication. But here, as 8 is more than 5, so you know this is normal rounding off. This 1 will be increased to 2. The final answer will be 4.2. Now straightway we'll do the operations of multiplication and division and then rounding off. Let's take an example straightway and try to understand the concept here, the formulas here. Now let's take a number here, 4.22 into 1.2, and we try to find out the answer. We do the normal multiplication here. 12 to the 24, 12 to the 24 to 26 to carry 48 to 55, 0, 6, 4, and since it has 1, 2, 3, so it will be 5.064, the normal multiplication. But here we have to consider the significant figures here. Now the first number has 3 significant figure, the second one has 2 significant figure, 2 non-zeros are here. This is the 2 significant figure here. Now our answer also should contain only 2 significant figure. Now as this is more than 5, the answer, one will be added here. It will be 5.1 is the correct answer. Normally people will do mistakes here in the options. It will be 5.064, your option B 5.06, it might be 5.11. so among these you have to select 5.1. Why? It has 2 significant figure which justify the rule here, because we have to select the significant figures for the final answer should be the same as that of the number in the main questions having minimum number of significant figure. Let's take another one, then it will be more clear. Say 5.002 into 0.2. Let's see. So 2 2s are 4, 0 0 2 5s are 10. Now here 3 1 4 places, 3 1 4 places. It will be 1.004. Now here it has these 2's are sandwiched between these 2 non-zeros, so it has 4 significant figure. This number has 1 significant figure because this one is before the decimal initial 0 rule ignored. It has only 1. So for rounding off we need to have a sound understanding of the significant figure. So please watch the significant figure session thoroughly. Now 1.004, again the same rule. The final answer should have only 1 significant figure, so it will be 1 only. It will be 1. So this is the final answer. We'll try to take some numericals on addition and subtraction. So we'll do addition and subtraction. Now let's 1.162 plus 1.1 plus 1.02. You add them. So how do you add? You write 1.162 plus 1.1, 1.02. The normal addition 2, 8, 2 and 3. The final answer. This is actually not the final answer. This is actually just the addition. Now we have to understand what will be our approach to find the correct answer. Now here we have to we have to apply a different set of rule here. Now here we have to consider after decimal. In the case of addition and subtraction, after the decimal places how many significant figures are there, and after them which is the minimum one. So after the decimal it has 3. We'll not take the significant figure of the number as a whole here. Remember, if you want to round off in addition and subtraction, in that case you have to find the significant figures for after the decimal, whatever digits are there, you find out. Now here it has 1, it is 1, it is 1, 2, so 2 significant figure. Remember, after the decimal you have to find the significant figure for the digits present there. Zeros or non-zeros you have to consider. Now here 3.282, here it has 2, here 1 is the minimum, so here we'll just take only this one. Now this is, if you round off, because 8 is more than 2, so there will be 1 added, which is definitely more than 5, so the final answer will be 3.3. The final answer will be 3.3. Take one more example here. Say 2.462 plus 2.4. Now we add these two. What is our answer? Let's see. It will be 2 point straightway, or 4 point rather, because 2 plus 2 4 4 4 4 8 and 6 2. Now here this is the answer. But we have to apply the rule first here. We have to see here, after the decimal we have only 1 and this is 3 significant figure, so we'll consider this. So as the number after 8 is 6, which is more than 5, 1 will be added to 8 here. So the final answer will be 4.9 and not 4.862. For example, to simplify the things, for addition rule. Now say 3.9501, you add 4.26 and 1.1. You add simply, it becomes 1 1 11 12 13 1 4 4 8 1 9. But we have to check, as this possesses the minimum significant number 1, that is equal to 1, minimum of 1 after decimal. So the final answer will be only 9.3. 1 place you will take after decimal, because out of these three, 1.1 has only one significant figure after the decimal. Now after the decimal you will take only 1 place. Since it is less than 5, obviously a simple rounding off, 9.3. The main rule was, in the case of multiplication, you have to take the number, for the numbers you have to find the significant figure, but in the case of addition and subtraction you have to do the normal addition, and then from the answer will contain the after the decimal part, the decimal part. So decimal part, consider the minimum significant figure. So that's the only difference. You need to do a lot of practice, variety of questions you attempt, then you will gain in confidence. DP is always there 24/7. So that's all for today. In the new session, some more interesting topic we will be taking together. Until then, bye bye, take care and God bless.